In this video, I'm going to determine if each of the following is true or false. So the first one, I'll be checking if 0 divides 7. Then for the second one, I'll be checking if 9 divides 0. So given those two questions, I'll start by looking at the definition of divisibility. A divides B if there exists an integer c such that b is equals to ac. So using this definition here, to check if 0 divides 7, we'll be saying that there exists an integer c such that 7 is equals to 0 times c. But in this case, if you look at the right hand side there, we're having a 0 times c. Does there exist an integer which when you multiply it by a 0, it gives us a 7? No such integer exists. So this is not correct. No such integer exists. So if no such integer exists, then it is false that 0 divides 7. I now move on to the next question there, the 9 divides 0. We are checking if 9 divides 0 using the definition of divisibility there. We'll be checking if there exists an integer c such that 0 is equals to 9 times c. So in this case, we'll be looking at the right hand side there, 9 times c. Can you find such an integer c such that when you multiply it by 9, it gives us a 0? We can find such an integer. If we put the c to be 0, 0 is an integer. So in this case, it is true that there exists an integer such that 0 is equal to 9 times c. So if that integer exists, so it will be true that 9 divides 0.